Hi, P17. You have this game, Subtraction, Roll, and Cover, that you brought home from school. And this is a video to remind you how to play that game. So I'm showing you on the computer so you can see a little better, but you will be playing it in real life, so it'll be a little bit different. But you need your die that you brought home, and you're going to need some different objects. Like I have here some purple hearts and some yellow stars, but you could use maybe 2 different colors of beads, 2 different types of dried beans or nuts. You could use 2 different coins like pennies and nickels, or 50 centavo coins and 2 peso coins, whatever you can find. And you can play this game with a partner. I'm playing with Mrs. Ones. Say hi, Mrs. Ones. Hi. So another thing you might want to do, because this helps me a lot, is write down the number sentence 6 minus equals . So you could write it on your whiteboard. And every time you roll the dice, that's the number that you're going to take away from the number 6. So 6 is the whole, and then you're going to take away from 6 by rolling the dice. So I will go first. What? Why do you always get to go first? Well, I'm showing how to do it. That's why. Do you know how to do it? Well, no, but okay, so let me go first. Fine. Okay. I roll my dice. 6. So that means that problem that I'm solving is 6 minus 6 equals 0. If I have 6 and I take away all 6, I have 0. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So now I'm going to take my shape or my object and I'm going to cover the number 0 on the board. Okay, and now it's your turn. Oh, yay, okay. Go ahead, roll the dice. 3. You don't need to be that close to the camera. Oh, okay. 3. Okay, so 6 minus 3 is 6. Let's count back. Should we try counting back? Okay. 6, 5, 4, 3. That's right. 6 minus 3 is 3. So now, Mrs. Ones, you're going to take one of the stars and put it on the number 3 on the board. Ta-da! Good job. Okay, now it's my turn again. I also got 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Well, that's no fair because I just did it and showed you. Yeah, well, that's how the game works. Okay, so I'm going to take a heart and I'm going to cover the number 3. And as you can see, I now have 2 purple hearts and Mrs. Ones has 1 yellow star. And we're going to go back and forth like that until we can't cover any more on the board because all of the numbers are covered. And then we're going to see who wins. Are there more purple hearts or more yellow stars? Yay! And that's it. Good luck. Have fun.